recycled items, you can make many things which is useful for your life.
We are here to help to pick up the trash to keep Singapore clean.
It's a good collaboration between the children and the seniors because it promotes community participation and bonding between them.
We see many sustainability booths at this event. One of them was using cardboard to make different animal structures. That has taught us about how we can always recycle, try to make use of it.
As young people and future leaders of tomorrow, you have the power to make the change today. Join Go Green SG activities for exclusive picks.
More events coming your way.
See you there!